Hi guys, welcome back. I'm going to walk away from the front now. There's a few gaps on the front still. You can see. You know you guys, that's what it is. Well, it's still hot in Benidorm. 30 degrees. Got clouded over today though, so not my lot of sun. Gonna walk up onto the Mediterranean now. Walk down there a little bit. And see what's going on down there. And if we can get down there, there is. There's no new roadworks we don't know about. So the British strip's now starting opening up. Quite a few bars up there the other night when up around the nightclub area. I did do a film, but it all went wrong. So we have to do that one of the days again. Film most of it and the camera's actually on pause. Never done that before, have I, Marcus?
No.
No, you usually get curtain, turn the camera on or whatever. So guys, there's a few more people up here now. A couple of weeks ago this was deserted up here. Trying to give Marcus a bit of exercise now before he goes on a drinking spree tonight. Are you going to have a good drink tonight, Marcus?
First, you know.
Yeah. You paid?
No.
I think you would be after all that money you got yesterday.
No.
Oh man. Yeah, thank you guys for last night. I much appreciate it. And so does Marcus. Got that money super chats last night, he was crying in the end. Softy, ain't you, Marcus? You're getting all embarrassed now.
No.
Yeah.
No, mate.
And the guys, if you're interested, the current rate of exchange, you needed about 144, I think it was, to beat Walk on the Wild Side's target. And you got about £118. Well done, lad. Great over here.
Sure is.
Not a bad night's work. We just got the football to go right last night. We could have had a brilliant night. So guys, you can see most of the bars, shops and stuff has reopened now. They're not shut. I think we are still missing the Brits though. It's more apparent in the bars. Some of the bars may be where they would go. They're struggling a bit more. Western Saloon being one of them. Just not the Western Saloon, the saloon bar in the front, sorry. The wrong saloon bar there, didn't I?
Yeah,
That's stopped being closed. And they were open for a couple of days. I don't think they had hardly anybody in there. Big bar for the Brits up. Western Saloon, guys, is still being built. I think that's what's delayed the opening of the Ambassador. So let's hope that's open soon. We're done out soon. Yeah, I'll try and show you this and get a few cars down here. I don't know if it'll show up on the camera. Hope you can see that, guys. Watch how slow you've got to go down here. We'll not see it with a coach. There's maximum speed down here. Oh. I don't know if you can see that, guys. That's not miles per hour, that's kilometres per hour. Lost. Sorry guys, I lost the thing there. The brains from there. Yeah, it's actually 8 miles an hour down here. 8 kilometres an hour. Into that foreign stuff now. You're out of the car, right? Don't come down this way. I'll tell you now, we're getting out into town. Okay guys, come and see more from Benidorm. Watch one's come from the car now. And we'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.